So, yeah, I don't know. The wording of this stuff really kind of throws me. I think that the wording is weird, and so I kind of struggle a little bit with it. Did you guys do? Did you do the graph of histogram?
The graph for what?
The histogram on part 2, 2C. You needed to describe the data in the histogram.
Oh. No, because we were supposed to do that as a class or together.
Horrible feedback. Is anybody else hearing that?
Yeah, I can hear myself repeat. Cassie, do you have two windows open?
Yes. Wait, no.
Because we didn't get the feedback until you joined. Weird.
Is it still acting up?
That seems better. Christine, you say something.
I hope it's not me. Well, it is me.
It's you.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go out, Sherry, and then do it again.
Okay. Okay. Again.
Okay, hopefully that works. Nope, still hearing myself.
You guys have earbuds? Earbuds are supposed to help get rid of that.
All right, let's go ahead.
So part 2, graduate management admin test is used in admission criteria for many master MBA programs. The score on the GMAT in the past have a mean score of 529. Determine the null and the alternative to the
Are you on the first one?
Yeah, 1A. The part 2.
Yeah. Okay, so this one was you do the HO and then the 2 dots. The mean is equal to 520.
529.
So So that's your null.
And then you do the alternative is HA, and so the mu is greater than 529.
Right.
So or suppose you got evidence of the hypothesis should be rejected. However, in reality, scores of the students in the exam is still 521. Was a type 1 or type 2 error committed?
It's a type 1 error.
Type 1.
Yeah, it's a type 1.
Because it tells you, I wonder if there a way to know if it doesn't really tell you that the score still is the 529?
Because it doesn't give you one, and then I assume it's a type 1.
If the analysis was done at A equals 0.01 probability of committing a type 1 error. So they chose, where did it say? Zero one, so it's a low chance. So it's a 1% chance of committing a type 1 error.
Yeah, this one's just 1%.
Yeah. Okay, so for D, if we want to decrease the probability of making a type 2 error, we need to increase or decrease the level of significance. So it said that if you want to decrease the probability of a type 2 error, you need to increase the level of significance.
Right, so it's kind of flip-flop.
So what that actually means, I don't have a clue. I need to go through.
So you're going to increase the level of significance.
Okay, and so for the next one, a study by the National Association of Realtors reported in 2004 that second home sales accounted for more than a third of residential real estate transactions. According to the report, the average age of a person buying a second home as an investment rental property was 47 years. Assuming the national standard deviation was 5, a real estate agent wants to determine if the average age of those buying investment property in his area is different than the national average. He randomly selects 15 of his own clients who purchased an investment property and obtains the data shown. To design the study, what is the population from which the realtor obtains his data? How did he sample this population? What is the research question? Okay.
Okay, so the population is those buying second homes. And it was a random sample. And his research question was if if that was different than what the national average was.
Can you repeat the first thing you had said? Sorry, it's a little hard to hear, Sherry.
The sample is okay, so the population is those that he has buying second home.
Okay.
So name at least how many the realtor could have randomly selected to count.
So he could have gone stratified on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he took the
He took
H
the H
and then the
and
house.
then the house,
Or the house and then the
or
H.
the house and then the H.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so describe the data. Graph the data on histogram. Attach the histogram below or cut and paste your electronic copy. In a short paragraph, describe the data by using at least 5 descriptors. So when I did this, I just put it into the SPSS, and it pulled up all of the exact same data that we have. But my histogram, I was talking about Justine, my histogram did not look good.
The histograms never match. They don't
They
match
don't
up.
match up.
Okay.
So the ones
So
on
the ones on
SBS
SBS
are usually
are
bigger.
usually bigger.
Mm-hmm.
So check the requirements. There are only 15 pieces of data. What we need to check.
So you need
So
to
you
check.
need to check.
You need to
You
check
need
that
to
it's
check that
a
it's a
symbol or
symbol or
simple random sample
sample
that was drawn
that was
from the
drawn from the
population,
population,
which it
which
was,
it was,
and that
and that
X bar
bar
is
is
normally
normally
distributed.
distributed.
So is your
So is your
histogram in
histogram
the bell
in the bell
shape?
shape?
And then our
And then
standard
our standard
deviation needs to be
deviation needs
known,
to be known,
which
which
is. So all of the
all
requirements
the
are
requirements are
checked.
checked.
So state the
State the
known
known
alternative hypothesis.
hypothesis.
So the null
So the
mean
null
is
is
47,
47,
and the alternative
and the
does
alternative
not equal 47.
47.
Right. Two-tail.
Yeah, they're both
Yeah, they're
two-tailed.
both two-tailed.
So for this next one, the let the A, I don't remember what that stands for, equal 0.05. I'm not even sure what you're supposed to do with that.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah, I
even
don't
know
even
what to really ask him.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold on.
This lesson really sucks. Even if you look at the answer sheet, and it has the problem but no answer. I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do with that.
So I think
So
they're
I
just
think
they're giving
they're
you your
giving you your
known.
known.
So there's
So
nothing
there's
that
nothing that
you really
you
need to
really
do
need
with
to
that.
do with that.
So because they're
So
just
because they're
giving
just
you
giving you
the
the
alpha.
alpha.
Because
Because
sometimes, or you
sometimes you
can't
can't
make the
make the
calculation until
calculation
you
until
know.
you know.
Mm-hmm. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so this next one was the one that I got all messed up on. I could not, tried and could not get this to equal out.
Okay.
Okay.
So our
So our
sample
sample
is 15,
15,
right?
right?
Right,
Standard
Standard
deviation is
deviation
5.
is 5.
right.
And
And
what's
what's
our
our
mean
mean
is
The mean is 47.
47,
47.
and our alpha
Alpha
is
is
0.05.
0.05.
What's our X
What's
bar?
our X bar?
The X bar is 46.733.
46.
46.733.
0.733.
Where does the alpha go in this?
The alpha
The alpha
doesn't.
doesn't.
It's
It's
after the
after the
probability.
probability.
I just
I
like to
just
write
like
it
to
all
write
up.
it all up.
So
So
46.
46.
What'd you get your
What'd you
z-score
get your
as?
z-score as?
I got negative 0.2068.
Okay,
Okay,
we're good on that.
we're good on that.
That is not what they have on the answer sheet. They have 0.20910.
What are they using for the
What are
X
they using
bar?
for the X bar?
Yeah, I did the same thing. I'm like, I have no idea. I emailed him and he responded with some bizarre, weird thing. He didn't have 5. He had this big, huge, long decimal. And so I'm not sure if he just didn't understand the question or what the issue was. Yeah. So I still have another question for him because it did not make any sense. So then everything else is thrown off because this Z-score isn't what they say it is. Did anybody else get anything different?
No.
No.
Even the numbers that they have on here is positive. They don't even have it as a negative. So I'm not sure what it is that I'm jacking up.
Yeah, I don't think
Yeah,
they
I
have
don't
it
think they
right.
have that right.
You don't think they do or we do?
They do.
They do.
So I'm not sure where to go from there.
We could just start on this
Start
one,
on
since we're kind of lost on this.
kind of lost on this.
Should I
The
then?
point is we know
Point
how to
is
do
we
that,
know how to
and that
do
isn't
that,
even
and that
right.
isn't even right.
Well, I'm hoping that I know how to do it.
We've
We've
done
We've
these
done
scores.
these before.
Well, and I'm wondering, this 0.05, we don't need to do anything with that. Is that somehow in there to our, I don't know.
That's just to let you know to verify the null
the null
or not.
or not.
Yeah, because your p-values are going to be up.
P-values are going to be up.
Right. Because everything else, because that Z-score is different.
Right. Well, the problem is
Well, the problem is
they didn't even
they
show
didn't
what
even
they
show what they
used.
used.
Right. Which makes me doubt what I did.
Yeah, I'm going to
Yeah,
email
I'm
them
going
on
to
that.
email them on that.
I've got another email in here as well.
Well, I email them probably
email
3 or 4
probably 3
times a week.
Well, I'm glad I'm reading stuff. So what do we do? Do we just go ahead and take the quiz and cross our fingers and hope we don't have to calculate anything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because the whole point
The
is
whole point is
it's not going to be the
it's not
same.
going to be the same.
So it's going to
So
null
it's going to null the
because whether it's
whether
negative
it's negative
it's
or it's
positive,
positive,
it's still going to
it's
be
still going to
greater.
be greater.
So basically, we're going to get
So
the same
basically, we're going to get
conclusion.
the same conclusion.
So yeah, let's
So
just
yeah,
go
let's
ahead
just go ahead
and do the
and do the
quiz.
quiz.
Because that finishes the time because it's lagging on my computer. See that?
Is everyone in?
in?
Say that again.
I'll be there in a minute.
I'll be there in a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
So number
So number
3,
3,
I have
I
a
have
hypothesis
this
test
test
consists of 2 hypotheses,
hypotheses,
a null hypothesis and
hypothesis,
an alternative hypothesis.
hypothesis.
Which one
Which one
represents the status quo?
status quo?
The null.
Null.
4, which
For which
hypothesis involves equality?
equality?
That's
The
null
null.
too.
Null.
The p-value is the
P-value is the
probability of obtaining a sample statistic.
statistic.
At least one
At least
at
one
least as extreme
as
for
extreme
one that was actually
that was
observed.
actually observed.
Use this information
Use this information
5.
5.
When computing
Computing
probability,
probability
hypothesis to be
hypothesis
true.
true.
It should be
Is
the
that one
null.
also
Should be the
null?
null.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suppose the
Suppose
null hypothesis
hypothesis
is mu equals 10.
equals 10.
Use this information
This
in
information
6 through 8.
6 through 8.
Which of the following
Which of the
represents
following
alternative hypothesis for a
hypothesis
2 tilde?
for a 2 tilde?
Would it
For
be the third
me,
one
For
down?
me,
yeah, it's a third.
yeah, it's a third.
The mu does not
The
equal.
mu does not equal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys have null hypothesis on 3, 4, and 5?
Yes.
Yes.
So 7,
So
which of the
7,
following
which of the
represents the
represents
alternative hypothesis for the left tilde test? So it's
Should be the
Should be
first
the
one.
first one.
Which of the following represents an alternative for a right tilde test? So the second one. The outcome of the hypothesis test is determined by comparing the value to the level or A. Use the information for question 9 through 10. Which relationship would result in failing to address the need? That would be the first one.
Yeah, it's first one because remember this statement, if the P is low, reject null. This says failing to reject.
And then 10, which relationship would result in rejecting the null? So the opposite, the second one.
Right, if it's low.
So it would be the second one, or?
Yes.
Yeah.
The feedback is so bad that I can't even understand what you guys are saying. So I totally missed 9.
Okay. Have Cassie talk. She's the only one that doesn't have feedback.
Okay, which one did you say you needed, Sherry?
9.
9 was the first one. P-values greater than A. And then 10 was p-value less than A. And then number 11, an insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Use this information for questions 11 through 12. Which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis? Or, yeah. Would be the third one, I believe.
Yeah, great.
Then number 12, which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis?
Not equal to.
No, it should be equal to.
Oh yeah.
Because not would be a alternative.
Okay, and then the insurance company randomly selects n equals 40 claims and calculates the sample mean of $1,650. Uses information for questions 13 through 15. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption?
Yes.
Can you guys explain that one to me, please, if you don't mind?
Because it's 40, you're going to get a normal distribution because the number's over 30.
Yep, that's where it goes back. So it'll be 14. Will be the central limit term. That's why it's. Right.
Then 15, which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson?
Will be the Z.
The historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is $150 with standard deviation of $40. The store manager suspects that the average has decreased. She has set up a hypothesis test with the following hypotheses. The null hypothesis that the mean is equal to 150, alternative that the mean is less than 150. She will use a level of significance of 0.05. She then takes a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and computes that it equals 144. Use this information for questions 16 through 18. What is the z-score associated with this test?
It's where I get worried.
I wouldn't worry about it.
about it.
So got 144 minus 150 divided by 40. And what's our 36? Negative 30.
All right, so I got
So I got
negative.
negative.
It'll be
It'll be
9.
9.
Negative 0.9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we put the zeros in there?
Yes.
Yes.
So maybe I just did that one wrong. So were we supposed to do the 144 minus the 150 over 40 divided by the square root of 36?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, maybe I just typed it in wrong then. Okay.
It comes up to negative
Comes up to negative
8,99999.
right?
So it'll
It'll
be
be
round it. So
rounded.
it's negative 9.
Negative 9.
That's negative
That's
8.
negative 8.
And then what?
And then what?
So 3 decimal
So 3
points
decimal point
is
is
0.899.
0.899.
And then the third number is a
And then
9.
the third
So you
number is a
round
9.
it.
So you round it.
So it's negative
So it's negative
0.900.
900.
And the app went up. Does anybody have that app by chance?
Yep.
Yep.
It's 0.184.
0.184.
So real quick question. I have no clue what I keep doing wrong, but I keep getting negative 0.025.
Okay, so you go 140 minus 150 gives you negative 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then you go 40 divided by 36, the square root button, and then the equal sign.
And should give you
Should give you
6.66 repeating.
And then 40 divided by square root 30.
No, you gotta go 36.
Put
then
the 36 in
36
and then
and
hit
then hit
square root.
square root.
So the square root
The
of
square root of
36
36
is 6.
is 6.
So it's basically 40 divided by 6.
6.
6.
Oh, okay. I got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So the
the
answer is 0.184.
0.184.
So the level of significance is the 0.05. So it's because it is above the 0.05, we reject null. Is that correct?
Is it reject or fail to reject?
Fail to reject.
I wish they would just quit with the fail to and just. If the P is low, which is 0.184, that's pretty low.
If it's low, you reject.
You reject.
But
I
it's
think it's
higher
fail.
than, yeah, I think it's failed.
I think it's
higher than the level of
higher
significance.
level.
Yeah, because I highlighted
I
this,
highlighted
this statement.
the statement.
If the p-value is low,
low,
reject the null.
reject the null.
So in this one's
So
higher,
in this
so
one's
it's
higher,
failed
so
to
it
reject.
failed to reject.
Okay, hold on. I also wrote if the p-value is less than the sigma, we reject the null.
Right.
Right.
So if the p-value is less than sigma, we reject the null. So it is not less than sigma.
No, so it's failed to
So
reject.
it's failed to reject.
Okay. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing hypothesis. Type 1.
Yep.
Yeah.
Instead of using
A researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance of a equals 0.05, he will use a equals 0.01. Which of the following will be true?
Oh, that was in the thing.
Oh, that was in the thing.
The type.
The type.
I think it's type
It's
2.
type 2.
Yeah, that should be type 2 because it says if you want to decrease the probability, you increase the level. So
Right.
Right.
The level.
Yeah, you're
you're
decreasing one,
decreasing
and it'll
and
increase.
it'll increase the error.
Okay.
Okay.
It's just team, your feedback is just nuts today. Okay. So the second one, is that what you think?
Yes.
Yes.
So then number 2 would be a 5% probability, right?
It's 5%.
5%.
Right. We do 5 and a percent sign, you think, or is it going to reject that? You know what I mean? Like he was saying that the computer has
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we do a percent sign or no? It won't even let me do a percent sign, so answer just must be 5.
All right, so just 5.
So just 5.
I do not like anything about this inspection.
Is everybody good?
Is everybody good?
What was the last one?
last one?
5.
5.
We missed one.
Missed one.
Which one?
Which one?
Looking.
Looking.
The last
The
one.
last one.
The last one?
Yep.
Oh. If A equals 0.05, compute the probability.
I'm gonna
I'm
email
gonna
him.
email him on that.
Because it won't allow you to
Won't
put a
allow you to put a
5%.
5%.
So I'll figure out what they're asking.
Because that's what 1% chance, or 5% chance, so what else? That's the only one we missed though? I don't know what else they'd want us to put. It's weird though, they'll let you put the, it'll go farther, but just won't let you put the percent sign.
It's 0.04. That's how you put it in there.
Yeah,
I got it right.
Right.
well, it's 0.0 is the probability, which equals 5%.
Yes, I
Yes, I
typed
typed
0.05 in
0.05 in.
because that's
That's
5%
5%
decimal, and it said it's
It
right.
said it's right.
0.05?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stupid. Because on the homework, it said it was a 1% chance, the exact same problem, and it said it was a 1% chance.
What was number
What was
6?
number 6?
16?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Negative 0.900.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Did we get that one wrong?
No, I
No, I
had something else in there.
else in there.
Okay. I still don't know what was wrong with that homework problem and why that's not working out right. So Justine, if you hear back from him, let me know and I'll do the same. Because that's really bizarre.
Okay, I will.
Are we just
Okay.
meeting
meeting
Tuesday at 8:30?
8:30?
Tuesday next week?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Just check with Cassie's schedule.
Schedule.
Yeah, Tuesday at 8:30 would work perfectly.
And who's sending the invite?
It's back to Kaylee if she wants to.
I can do
I
it.
can
I'll hopefully
do it.
Okay,
If not,
just let me know.
text me. I can do it as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.